If your lip balm isn't working, it's not because your lips are too dry, it's because reapplying it is keeping your lips from actually recovering. That's why it feels better for a few minutes and then dry again right after. You're stuck in the lip balm cycle. So stop overcorrecting. If your lip balm isn't working, it's not because your lips are too dry. It's because you're stuck in a cycle that keeps resetting your lips. And once you see this, you'll understand why nothing has worked long term. Most people believe something very simple. If your lips feel dry, you just need to apply more lip balm, more often, more consistently, more product. But if that actually worked, well, your lips would have healed by now. So if you've ever noticed your lip balm wears off really fast, your lips feel dry again almost immediately, or you feel like you need to keep reapplying all day, hey, you're not doing anything wrong, but you are stuck in a pattern that's keeping your lips from actually recovering. And if you're new here, I am Jenice Story. I'm a nurse and founder of AJ's EO Infusions. I focus on helping people understand what's actually happening with their lips, because honestly, most of the time, it's not what you think. This is general education, not personalized medical advice, but it should help you start making sense of what you're experiencing. I call this the Lip Balm Cycle, and once you understand it, everything starts to make sense. Here's what it looks like. Your lips feel dry, so you apply lip balm. You get relief. It feels better for a little while. But then the dryness comes back, so you apply again, and again, and again. And what feels like helping is actually keeping the cycle going, because most lip balms are designed to sit on the surface of your lips. They create a temporary layer that feels like moisture, but doesn't actually rebuild your lip barrier. So your lips never fully recover. They stay in this constant loop of relief, dryness, reapplication, relief, dryness, reapplication. And over time, your lips start depending on that pattern, not because you're addicted, but because your lips haven't been given the space or support to actually repair. And this is usually the point where people start to feel frustrated. They start wondering, why won't my lips heal? Am I dehydrated? Is something wrong with my body? But the truth is, your lips aren't failing. They're actually just responding to how they're being supported. And right now, they're being overcorrected instead of really supported. There's also something deeper happening here. That moment when you apply lip balm and feel relief, it's not just physical. It's calming. It's familiar. It becomes a habit your body recognizes. So, without even really thinking about it, you start reaching for lip balm automatically. Not just because your lips are dry, but because your body is used to that quick reset. So, instead of constantly reacting, we need to shift how you support your lips. Not more product, not more reapplication, just a different approach. Slower, more intentional, more supportive, This can look like not applying every time you feel slight dryness, letting your lips begin to regulate again, and choosing products that actually absorb instead of just sitting on the surface, because, healing doesn't happen in urgency. It happens in consistency and support. And once you understand the lip balm cycle, you can finally stop chasing relief and start giving your lips what they actually need to recover. If you're ready to get out of that cycle and support your lips in a way that actually works, the Luxury Lip Ritual walks you through exactly how to do that. It's not about using more, it's about using it differently.